plumberparts.co.uk. Honest reviews and advice.
Oh, a nice little fade in. Holla, and welcome to today's plumberparts.co.uk video. My name's James, and today we're going to have a very quick look through the easy life of a single impeller pump. I'm not going to call it a single impeller shower pump because these can be used on different applications, not just on showers. But firstly, let's pop to the whiteboard and have a look at how they schematically are installed on a system. Hold tight, we're going to the whiteboard! Oh yeah! Now, the job we're going to show you now isn't one of these. It's not a job like this. This is kind of the other way that you can use a single impeller pump for. What we've got is, we've got a tank in the loft, right? And that is feeding water down into our hot tank, okay? Right, so it feeds water down here into our hot tank. Now, coming out the top, we've got our expansion pipe that goes back into the hot tank. And then we've also got our hot water draw off that comes off here. And then it's going down, literally like that, off to all the hot outlets in the house. Now the problem is pretty much this. So look, all the hot taps on this system basically just wee out like that, which is not good enough. We want them to come out with some sort of purpose in life. So as you can see there, the kitchen sink that's miles away is just piddling through when it comes to hot water. So what we're going to do is pop a single impeller shower pump on this outlet here. So here we are up in the loft, and basically this is where it's all going to happen, okay? Because there's a problem with low hot water pressure here, I said to Paul, who is the customer, right, who's my lovely customer, who cooks me great food in the Big Green Egg, I said to him, Paul, this could work or it might not work because the head pressure could be too low. I've had a look at the system and we do actually have a head pressure of 3 meters, okay? So that's all right, I've checked that, I'm happy. But the thing is, you need an adequate flow of water through your single impeller pump, right, to open up the flap, basically, and start turning the pump on and getting nice, hot, high pressure water. So let's have a quick look. Right, so we've got our tank up there that's miles away from anything, right? We've got our feed pipe here from our tank that's going to go in the bottom of our tank there, okay? Now, there's our cold water feed valve to the bottom of our hot water tank. As you can see, it pops in there just like that. Then, out the top of our tank here, this feeds a shower pump, okay? And then we had this pipe here that just went straight through like that, okay? And off to the taps. Now, as you saw in that earlier video, the hot pressure was like wee-wees. But now what we've done is we've added a pump, a single impeller pump just down here, okay, to take hot water from our tank through here and pressurise it and blast it back out there off to all the hot outlets. We're just going to go down through this loft hatch. Rabid dog area. Oh, see? They know. You know that we're filming, don't you, dogs? So anyway, so we're going to go into the kitchen now and let's have a look and see what this water pressure is like now, okay? Oh my God. That is brilliant. That's worked so well. As you can see, when you turn it on, it just lags for a sec because it's waiting for its little flat flow switch to prove. So you look, lags, and then bang, comes on. Lags, bang, comes on. How about that? Let's check the bath tap pull. So let's have a look here. The bath tap's going to be the one that really draws. Oh, jeez. That's so much better. This tap here. You wouldn't believe... Oh my God, it's all steaming up. What I've made sure when we've done this is that the head height, which is this measurement here, and we've got our water level here, which is that measurement from there to there, is adequate, okay? You want at least, like, I'd be looking at 2 or 3 meters at least. Then you know that it's going to be very difficult for the shower pump to readily pull air down here and into it, especially when it's got to go down like that. So there you go, you've seen that a single impeller shower pump can also be used to pressurise the whole hot water supply on a house. I've done this to loads of different houses, okay, and I've never ever had a problem with them. All my customers are repeat business as well, so I've seen them again and again and again on other jobs as well, and they've always been fully happy with how this system has worked out. Obviously, you've still got to make sure those things that I went over before we went up into the loft, It's very, very important. This won't work for everything. And also, if you are a plumber and you're having a look at this, it's always a good idea to have a good dialogue with the customer beforehand to make sure that they're happy with you to just, as I say, try it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to subscribe, that's the most important thing. Click on the subscribe here button. It's also up in the corner. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can click on those as well. And obviously visit our website at plumberparts.co.uk. Until next time, when we're probably either going to do an Ask the Plumber video or a From the Van video, remember everyone, you've got to hold tight.
plumberparts.co.uk. Honest reviews and advice.